Setting up a home gym can be a great way to stay active and fit, especially when access to gyms or outdoor facilities is limited. Here are several tips to help you create an effective and motivating home gym. Choose the right location. Select a space in your home that is well lit, well ventilated, and free from clutter. Ideally, choose a room or area with enough space to move around comfortably. Consider the flooring. Opt for a flat, non-slip surface such as hardwood, laminate, or rubber flooring. This will provide stability and reduce the risk of injury during workouts. Invest in basic equipment. Start with essential equipment like dumbbells, resistance bands, yoga mats, and stability balls. These versatile tools can be used for a wide variety of exercises and can help you achieve a full body workout. Create storage solutions. Keep your workout space organized by investing in storage solutions like shelves, bins, or baskets to store your equipment when not in use. This will help keep your space tidy and clutter-free. Surround yourself with things that inspire and energize you to stay consistent with your workouts. Incorporate mirrors. Hang mirrors on the walls to help you maintain proper form and technique during exercises. Mirrors can also create the illusion of more space and add visual interest to your workout area. Ensure proper lighting. Install adequate lighting in your home gym to create a bright and inviting atmosphere. Natural light is ideal, but if that's not possible, consider adding overhead lighting or lamps to illuminate the space. Set up a sound system. Invest in a good quality sound system or speaker to play your favorite workout music or exercise videos. Music can help motivate you during workouts and make them more enjoyable. Consider ventilation. Make sure your workout space is well ventilated to prevent overheating and promote airflow. Open windows, use fans, or install air conditioning to maintain a comfortable temperature during workouts. Designate a stretching area. Dedicate a portion of your workout space to stretching and mobility exercises. Lay down a yoga mat or exercise mat to provide cushioning and support for floor-based exercises. Incorporate cardio options. If space allows, consider adding cardio equipment like a treadmill, stationary bike, or elliptical machine to your home gym. These machines can provide an effective cardiovascular workout without taking up too much space. Include a workout bench. A sturdy workout bench can be a versatile addition to your home gym, allowing you to perform a variety of exercises such as bench presses, step-ups, and seated rows. Add a wall-mounted pull-up bar. If you have enough ceiling height, consider installing a wall-mounted pull-up bar for upper body strength training. Pull-ups and chin-ups are excellent compound exercises that target multiple muscle groups. Make it functional. Design your home gym with functionality in mind. Arrange your equipment in a way that allows for easy access and smooth transitions between exercises. Create a motivating atmosphere. Personalize your workout space with elements that inspire and motivate you to stay active. This could include photos of your fitness goals, quotes from your favorite athletes, or reminders of why you're committed to your health and fitness journey. Keep it clean. Make it a habit to clean and maintain your workout space regularly. Wipe down equipment after each use, vacuum or sweep the floors, and declutter any unnecessary items to keep your space clean and inviting. Create a workout schedule. Set aside dedicated time for your workouts and treat them like appointments. Having a consistent schedule will help you stay accountable and motivated to exercise regularly. Make it comfortable. Add comfort-enhancing elements to your home gym, such as a fan or air conditioning to regulate temperature, comfortable seating for rest periods, and a water bottle or hydration station to stay hydrated during workouts. Personalize your space. Make your home gym your own by adding personal touches that reflect your personality and preferences. Whether it's a favorite motivational quote, a poster of your favorite athlete, or a piece of artwork that inspires you, surrounding yourself with things you love can make your workouts more enjoyable and meaningful. By following these tips, you can create a functional, motivating, and enjoyable home gym that supports your fitness goals and helps you stay consistent with your exercise routine. If you received value from this video, please like and subscribe to the channel.